Hi everybody, welcome to week 4 of SEDE 7340. I just wanted to give you a heads up about your next assignment. So I see that all of you have posted to your blogs. Sorry for being jiggly, trying to get comfortable. I had to find a quiet place in the house because the Super Bowl's on. I see that you've all posted your blogs for assignment 1, so know that over the next week I'll be looking at your blogs for that first assignment and working on assessing them. Remember that you need to respond to at least 3 other people's blogs by February 6th, which is Monday of this week. So I wanted to just give you a little bit of information about assignment 2, which is on new literacies. So the literacy that I want you to focus on for this assignment is podcasts. I've recently become a little bit addicted to podcasts. I found some podcasts out there about children's literature from the Nerdy Book Club. Also, The Yarn is another one. And then Penny Kittle, who is the author of Book Love, she has a podcast called the Book Love Podcast. And she also has another one about stories from a teaching life. And then I've subscribed to some others just this weekend. One is from NPR. I didn't bring my phone in here with me, so I can't look it up. A couple of them are podcasts from NPR, but then there's the TED Radio Hour that I subscribe to. There's just a lot of podcasts out there. So, what I'd like for you guys to spend some time doing is exploring podcasts that are available and see if you can locate one that you feel would be beneficial in a secondary classroom. And then download an episode or two and listen to it. I've been listening to them on my drives back and forth to work and around town and that kind of thing. If you are a more fit person than I am and you do a lot of exercising, I hear that's also a good place to listen to them. So download an episode or two and listen to it. And then I want you to be, as you're listening, I want you to be thinking about how you could use that podcast. So on your blog post that will be due on February 12th, you're going to just summarize the podcast for us and do some writing about how a teacher could use this in a content area classroom. How could that information supplement content that's already taught in that classroom? And how might it impact students' engagement? So that information, when you put it on your blog, the simplest way is just to write it up. I see that several of you have created videos for assignment one's blog, and you've uploaded links to that. That's fine as well. Um, but I do need you to make sure that you include appropriate bibliographic information for the podcast using APA format. You want to make sure that you're always giving appropriate attribution. So your original blog post will be due by February 12th, and you'll need to respond to a minimum of 3 other classmates by February 15th. So have some fun this week exploring podcasts that are out there and thinking about how you can use them in content area classrooms. Y'all have a great one.